Hey guys, good afternoon. So it's a bit of a rainy day here in North Carolina, and I decided to knock out some projects that I wanted to do last week. Last week I had the flu, went through my office, a bunch of us got sick. That was a bummer. This weekend I feel much better, and there was two things I wanted to get done. One of which involved this here, my little photo booth thing that I use for like small parts and stuff that I sell. Take the photos in there. It's nice, the little light over there. And these things are really cheap. I think this is like $20 on Amazon. You can get larger ones, but anyway. So I've created a little shelf. This will slide under, and then I'll have some storage above. The thing this is about is, well, this Maisto, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, this Maisto assembly line kit for the 911 GT3 RS. You guys know I did the Lego build recently. I like Porsches. That's my dream car. A 911 GT2. Oh, that'd be sick. But I'm poor, and so instead I'll go to Hobby Lobby. They have these for $24.99, and if you catch it like I did, they are often on sale for 40% off. So it's about $13. So I picked up this, and actually I picked up an actual model car kit for a C7R or C6R race car, like an IMSA GT3 kind of car. But anyway, today I decided, while I'm waiting for paint to dry, literally waiting for paint to dry, I'll put this thing together. It's 42 parts, no glue, comes with a little screwdriver, should be pretty easy. And yeah, it'll just be something to add to the little man cave area down here, and onto this little wall that I'm building on my storage shelf that I'll show you guys later as I get more stuff on there. But anyway, thanks for joining. Let's roll and see how long this takes. it's all together. If I'm being honest, I didn't do the little gauge overlay, and I forgot about the mirrors, the little mirror stickers. I can add those later if I wanted. I'll probably do the mirrors. The gauge, who cares? Total time. Sorry, I thought that was a little blemish. Total time was about 22 minutes. Not bad. Hell, I think the hardest thing that took the most time was the windshield. But it's a cool little model of a cool car. Only 2 screws, as you saw at the very end. Everything kind of just snaps together. I should have probably paid more attention to the instructions on some of the items. I did not. Like the roll cage. I put the seats in and then tried the roll cage, and it didn't really fit, so I had to take the seats out. Whatever. But anyway, 20 minutes, or so, and $12. Not bad. Some of the pieces don't fit perfect. There we go. And the mirrors were an issue as well. I ended up having to take off the door panels, put them in, then put the door panels back on. But again, instructions are good. They're there for a reason. $12, $13, less than half an hour. Cool little toy to add to your man cave if you're a Porsche fan or a sports car fan. Anyway, you guys have a good day. I'm gonna go have an early dinner. I'm 42. I'm having dinner at freaking 5 o'clock. What's wrong with me? Take care.